Can anybody guess where we are?
We're at the place that takes money.
Should be called Highs. He always says it should be called Highs, not Lows.
Not Lows anymore. Highs 57. You know, I might use one of these right here in the spot. You know? It's already painted black. I like it. I'll go to Tractor Supply and get some gold wire and paint it black with a spray paint. Spray paint. I got my vision right there.
Right. We're in here to get something he needs for the barn.
This stuff is crazy. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just almost believe this is a sin.
What even is that? I don't even know what that is.
T for Titus.
I love the way wood smells. They should have a low scented candle. It smells like wood.
Yeah.
It's MAXX time. Got some fall dish drying mats out over here. Autumn flavor collection. Apple cinnamon, cinnamon roll, and pumpkin spice syrups. And then we have the autumn harvest collection. Pumpkin pie, cinnamon bun, caramel apple butter, cranberry, and brown butter toffee. That's $7.99. That one's also $7.99. Sweater weather.
Sweater weather, folks.
Usually the coffee mugs here are the really, really big ones, and I don't.
Oh, yeah,
I like the smaller ones. Yeah. I like the smaller mugs. Oh look, it's a cherry Coke thing. Here's a white French press. I think the white French press things are really pretty. That one's pretty cheap too. Only $9.99. You know,
I mean, this is not big as ours, I don't think.
No, it's not as big. But I saw some that are, you know, like the tumblers that are made out of stuff to keep stuff hot and cold. They're French presses made out of that stuff that'll keep it hot for like an hour, it said, I think.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not kidding.
He loves the French press.
Yeah, the French press to me makes the best coffee. I mean, you get.
And he drinks a lot of coffee, but I mean, everybody's different.
Everybody
It's a little bit of a.
Yeah, I agree.
A little bit of a different texture, and it's hard to explain why that is, but it is. Yeah.
You get more oil, you know.
From the coffee beans.
Yeah.
If you grind your own beans, especially.
It's
Oh, that's a pretty frother. Look at that. That purple one?
I can see you using that.
Hey, they have some dried mango dipped in spicy chocolate.
Fallon already had the Santa Claus on last night.
I did not. Y'all did that while I was.
I didn't do that.
Somebody did.
The kids did. I seen this chocolate chip right here. It reminded me of it.
Yeah.
You know, I will say I watched it with it.
Yeah, he did. Dark chocolate sea salt caramel thins. Those look good.
It's here, everybody. It's here.
Cinnamon sugar banana chips. Oh, some of the little mini Stroop waffles. These are so good, y'all. Now here's some dates. Some people said that they like to put dates in their granola bars.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. And if you turn around, you see a wall of popcorn. Look at these huge bags. I mean, that's a huge bag of popcorn. This is where you can find a lot of food storage container things. Oh, that's pretty. These are cute. We've seen these here before. Oh, there's a little honey jar. Look at this. That's pretty.
This is nice right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's our style right there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's really nice. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I can see me going to get water in this. Going down to the creek.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's really a nice deal right there.
Yeah.
I just like the color of it and the way it's made.
Yeah, what about the price? Did you like that? We have to look on the bottom.
Nope, that ain't cheap.
$9.99. We don't like that about
I'll wait till I go to India.
I don't even like it anymore.
And they'll give me one for a lot cheaper than that. I'm already starting.
My favorite aisle. He started without me. I already smell something right here.
You probably smelling this.
Honey pumpkin?
Honey pumpkin.
Yeah.
That smells good right there. Don't know if it would have enough throw. You know?
No, they do here. These,
Do they?
especially, is it a, yes, DW Home, those have a really good throw. Yeah,
When we say
talk
throw,
about that.
folks, we may.
Is it going to smell your house up?
Like whenever you open the door, we want it to absolutely let you know, boom, honey pumpkin's in the house. Or you want apple pie.
No, I'm more pumpkin than apple, but I do like some apple. See, what happened was.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like that one.
The way you said it, though. The way in which you know, if you would have wrote that down, it's, you know, I would have read it, I would have been like, but the way you said it was, yeah, I like that one. It was almost like there was a little, here's one you'll like. Here it is.
Yeah, I bet we will like falling leaves.
I don't know.
I like that one. I used to not like the leaves scented candles back years ago, but now I'm really starting to like the leaves.
You know, I kind of like that too.
Yeah.
I changed my mind. There's one that would last a week or two.
What's the price? I mean, yeah, what's the price?
It's $16.99.
Well, that's a big
That ain't
candle,
really
though.
bad. I mean, this
Let
is
me
really...
smell it. I don't know. I don't know if I like it that much.
There's fall moon right
Oh, what's the
What
fall
does the
moon?
moon smell like in the fall?
Let's see.
It's 250,000 miles away. You know what I mean? Who's went and smelled that joke?
I don't know, but I wouldn't imagine that's what it would smell like.
I mean, I just learned that the other day. I'm trying to throw my education off. I mean, I'm just... Here's vanilla coffee.
Yeah, that'll be a good one, probably.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Really good. Will I have enough to throw? Yes.
It's
Here's
DW.
royal blood.
The
Flows through my veins.
DW home is good ones. You don't gotta worry.
DW drums are good.
DW
Daryl?
pants over there are good. Daryl's his uncle. He's a drummer too.
I need to trap the smell back in here.
Okay.
You need to always put the top on and just pop it off and then throw it in somebody's face like, do you like it?
Yes, that's a good one.
That's definitely a good one right there. And that's only really 999 pennies.
Yeah. I tried to order some candles from Goose Creek's website, y'all, but it kept telling me that there was one out of stock, and so I kept taking one by one off, and then... Oh, that's a pretty
Pumpkin
top.
pie, what I'm talking
so
about.
Pretty. DW, it'll be a good one. Oh. It don't smell like... Why could it not smell really like pumpkin pie with that pumpkin on there? Pie. It don't smell like pumpkin pie.
Which one smells good? I'll ask them, can we take the top and switch? Look like this one right here. I bet that one right there is that's an apple.
It's wicked apple. No, that's from the beginning. Put it back.
No. No. The answer is no.
That's for the boys' bathroom, I bet. Is it?
It is.
Yeah, that's for their bathroom.
Yep. Just makes you appreciate the name Moss.
Pumpkin ginger snap.
You gotta snap the top
On
off.
Pumpkin Pie Wars, they made a pumpkin pie with a ginger snap crust. And we must watch that movie if we do that one.
That's a good one. Got the wood
That's a
wick.
good one, and it's got a wood wick.
That's it.
Pumpkin Pie Wars, here we come.
I know she's been trying to take my pillow.
Yeah, I think I did have yours last night, didn't I?
I mean, I got the new pillow, yo. Like, I needed
I got
one.
it for you.
You got it for me, then you took it. You know what I'm
For
saying?
Father's Day.
Yeah. I mean, she was excited to give it to me. And then all of a sudden, the last few nights, I've been laying there like, something ain't right. Something ain't right. You know what I'm saying? And then she'll be like, I think I got your like it was a mistake. And I'll be like,
My one that I have is really okay. I'll just keep that one that I have.
oh, yeah.
They've moved stuff around in here. They used to have coffee mugs right here, but they don't anymore. They have towels. Look like nice ones. Oh, I thought something was about to fall over on me.
Well, that would have been bad. That stack of towels would have hit you. Knocked you down like that tree, knocked that little lady off that piano and home. You looked up like, now we're at the soap department.
Yeah, they got pumpkin pecan. Thing about the soap says you can't smell them beforehand, but I'm pretty sure that'll be good. And then this one's honey almond, but it's fall. See, it's got the pumpkins on
You
there.
want both of them?
I think just that one.
They're cheap, baby.
Yeah, we'll do these two.
Yeah.
Oh, we got apple cider right here too. Harvest Festival.
That's almost realistic right there. It looks so real, you want to touch it just to see if it is. That ain't real whipped cream, everybody. Folks, I know it's going to surprise you, but it's raining again.
Yeah.
We got the candle truck.
It's the candle stock up for fall.
I didn't want to be the person that didn't take back the buggy.
Yeah, he used to be a buggy deserter.
I
Y'all
used to
remember.
be, but the Lord saved me.
Y'all,
And they
y'all remember.
changed me.
He used to be a buggy deserter. Okay, these are Thunderbird peanut butter and jelly bars. I smelled them right when I opened it. It kind of threw me off a little bit. Okay, let's see. Should we just do one?
That's up to you,
Let's
baby.
just do one.
It ain't bad.
Yeah.
Them little noises we make. See, those high-pitched noises is, That ain't bad.
It's a little salty, like a little too salty to me. But other than that, it's good.
It's peanutty.
It's just really salty. Like I'm
Can't
thirsty.
taste the strawberries enough.
Yeah, it's making me really thirsty.
She's getting dehydrated. Let me have it. In case anybody's wondering, it's 64 degrees right now. Wind's out of the southeast. Yeah. That window does that.
Yeah, it's
Sometimes it makes me mad, sometimes it don't. It'll do weird stuff sometimes. These new vehicles.
the safety features on it are like if it thinks like a child might have their arm or something in the window or
It thought
something.
a child had one.
It'll roll the window down.
It
And
thought I
y'all,
had an Uncrustable. I
We
think
were
probably thought I had a little
just-
Uncrustable peanut butter jelly.
just me and Titus were going down the road one day, and my window kept rolling down.
It will do it. I'm telling you, that's the
And
thing
I
about
was
them
like,
old ones. The old ones didn't care if you was young or old. They'd just leave it down, you know? It wasn't rolling down.
You couldn't roll it back
Couldn't
up
roll
and
it
be
back up.
hung.
It'd take 3 people to crank on that thing. That thing probably thinks you young. I know it's going to surprise you, but it's raining again. Nothing like the smell of coffee in the morning. Blackberry oatmeal. Good stuff. To be honest with you, it kind of tastes like a blackberry cobbler.
I'm making a maple waffle breakfast casserole. We need to toast the waffles first, and I'm gonna see how they do here in the air fryer. So I've got 3 of them in there. Now, of course, it doesn't have air fry directions, but we're gonna see what happens here. We'll go 375 for 3 minutes and see what happens. We need 8 waffles total. I started to just put them all in a pan, stick them in the oven for a few minutes, but I think they'll be crispier in the air fryer. We want them to be crispy. Of course, you could use a toaster, but I can only do 2 at a time in the toaster, so I thought we'll try 3 at a time in the air fryer. Oh, I need to be cooking the sausage too. I think we have Jimmy Dean or Tennessee Pride. What do we got? Tennessee Pride. I've got green beans sitting out over here because I'm gonna put a pork roast in the slow cooker here in just a little bit. And I put the green beans out to remind me to put the pork roast in the slow cooker. Let's see what's going on with our waffles. Oh yeah, 3 minutes at 375, that's perfect. We'll just put these right here and get 3 more. I think it might even do 4, but we'll just do 3 and then 2 more. So there you go. If you wanted to know how to make waffles in the air fryer, that's it. 375 for 3 minutes. 2 minutes might even do it, but 3, they're really crisp right there. Not over crisp, but you know, depending on how you like them. If you want them a little softer, you might want to go 2 minutes. So we got 6, 7, 8. There we go. In this bowl, we need 8 eggs. Now I have this jar of egg whites here, so I'm going to do 3 eggs and then the jar of egg whites. One and a quarter cup of milk. And we need half a cup of maple syrup. Okay, we've got the casserole dish sprayed. We're just gonna break the waffles into 4 pieces. And put them on the bottom. Now we'll put the sausage. Just spread that around. Okay, now on half of it, I'm gonna put a few blackberries. Not everybody will want the blackberries, so they're just gonna go on half. Okay, now we'll put the rest of the waffles on the top. Now we just pour over the maple egg mixture. And gently press the tops down a little bit. It's going in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. That's amazing, y'all. The waffles on the bottom are soft and fluffy, but they held together good since we toasted them first. And the ones on top are nice and crisp. That's great.